Hello everybody, this is me JP in another awesome video, and today I am in a pretty interesting place. Okay, yes, this is a market right there. Okay, it's called San Pedro, and this is the most important market here in Cusco. So if you guys come and you guys want to find the best, prices, products and everything else, you guys need to come to this interesting, the most amazing market, San Pedro's market. Let's go. So this is the most amazing market here in Cusco, okay, called San Pedro. One more time, don't forget it, okay, because you can find many interesting products. They are cheap, all right, they are not that expensive. Many tourists come to this market, okay, because you can find many things. You can find bread, you can find vegetables, you can have souvenirs, you can listen to interesting music, local music, all right, you can have lunch, breakfast, even dinner. Okay, people are gonna actually be super friendly. You can have some smoothies, juice, right, many things in this fantastic market. So this is it about this video. This was in Mercado de San Pedro, or San Pedro's market. I hope you guys like it. This is a pretty interesting market. Many people, national and international people, come to this market because things are cheap. The variety of products you can find, like maybe bread, maybe cheese, meat, clothing, souvenirs, right? Food, you can have breakfast, lunch, anything, and I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's not that expensive. So if you don't know where exactly is this place, I will be giving you more details in the description. But a reference here in Cusco is from the main square to your left, about 3 to 4 blocks. Okay, so have that in mind, please. I just want to say also thank you guys for watching my videos. I know, like, for me it was quite challenging in so many ways to upload videos every single day. Sometimes I did it a little late because of some technical issues. Sometimes it was the internet or the connection, the battery, my laptop, or something else, maybe even my energy, because I got many things going on during the day, and I was sometimes tired. But I hope you guys liked every single video, and if you do, don't forget to share it, hit the like button, maybe you can make some comments. I just want to say also Happy New Year. This is the last day of the year. It's been quite interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed your year, and for next year, let's expect the best, right? Try to do something else, something new, something that maybe you want to do and you haven't, like the resolution, right? Try to do it, try to go for it. As for me, this is it, and have a wonderful starting year, everybody. Bye bye.